ready. Get set. Fill. And it starts. Notice how some immediately turn the tower down on its side so that they can work efficiently. Some of the others are building up after it is in place. I just seen it on a roll already. No one into the computer. We ask other photographers to be careful not to get in the way of the referee or the participant. This is bragging rights for everybody building their routine. We're 53 seconds in. The Rangers are going to Rangers, remember, you can use the floor if you want. You can use the table. You can hide under the table. But either way, do whatever you need to do to win the race. Referees are walking around, keeping an eye, making sure you're not tossing any screws or tossing any parts in the air. Remember, everything has to work when your PC is finished. Again, photographers, please don't get in the way of the Rangers or the referees. They don't want anyone to get penalized because they could forget what they need to work on. Stephen Plunk is working on the floor, or he's taking a nap. I'm not sure here on the stage, but he's busy at work. But if suddenly contestants are picking up and shaking to make sure nothing falls down. Will Murphy Steve Bass, one of our veterans, checking the instructions. He was got back to the team. And now don't forget to root for your favorite participant. He or she will appreciate your cheering. We're 3 minutes and 15 seconds in. The pressure is on. A lot of folks taking your pictures behind the ropes as well. You got a big cheering committee. Everybody's voting for you. Hey, Stephen Plunk has got his hands up. Now the referees are already checking who else thinks they may be close. Remember, you've got to connect to the network. If you're not connected to the network, you may not be the winner yet. But now we're at 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Still don't have an official winner.
Well, tonight, one of the others sat down and go with me, and I really wanted to go down. I could say something. There's no pressure for me to win, but they just did it.
All right, and referees told you that individuals did not is number 2.
Five.
Alfred Hernandez, number 3. Now, the rest of these operators keep building because the kids from the majority will certainly appreciate it, and you get bragging rights as we continue. Steve, I think, is looking for a referee. Take a look. More folks working the floor yet, seeing how things once become along. Let's take a peek at Justine's machine. Her sister Nina and I as well. Like you know, don't be nervous. They're doing it. All right, Justine's doing it. Nerves having nothing to do with filling the new thing. I'm sure. Check it out.
Looking for other stuff right now. Thank you. Did you actually record? Okay, there we go.